it do, mid-engine squad? It's your boy Fisrt, boy 86, coming back with a brand new video for y'all. So in today's video, I'm basically just gonna be talking about my first car meet that I actually went to this season. If you're not following me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so at Fisrt_86. Also, please follow me at my brand new Instagram channel at 214 Fisrt Guy. Also, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, so whenever I get to drop bangers like this, it will come right down to you. Also, please hit that like button for you, boy. Spam that thing. Spam it all day long, because you already know what it is, your boy Fisrt, boy 86. So in today's video, basically, I'm just gonna be talking about my first car meet, which actually had happened at Dunn's Brothers Coffee in Plano. I do have some clips, or I do have some video of me actually going out to that car meet. Now I know that this video is going to be short, but definitely I am super happy that car show season is finally coming back. I just basically cannot wait till my new Fiero is done for y'all. That's all I'm really waiting for. And once that right there happen, y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna be up in there with the new Fiero. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is. And so also too, pretty much I just wanted to just basically just let y'all know some updates on my Fiero right now. I'm still looking for body parts as far as for my car. I'm looking for a hood. I'm looking for a deck lid, things like that. Now, I did pick up some pieces for my car already. If you do not follow me on Instagram, please do. It's 214 Fisrt website about that. And pretty much you're gonna see that I did pick up a front fender, a front driver's side fender, and also too, I just picked up a quarter panel piece that actually goes like right behind the passenger side door at the bottom. So I did pick that up as well. Right now I'm still looking for other parts to put on the car, so then what can happen is we can go ahead and start with the painting process. You know what I'm saying? I also did pick up some rubber mountings that actually goes across the door and also on the other side as well. So I did pick that up as well. So I'm just trying to piece it all together for y'all. My mechanic, I know he has not been in the shop the last few days, but hopefully we will be getting an update soon about my car. Hopefully it's good, but otherwise, I'm just getting ready, y'all. It's about to go down this summer. I mean, new Fiero alert is coming, you know what I'm saying? Now, I know it's probably not gonna be the prettiest thing right now, but we're gonna get it there. We already got the color that we already want. If you do not know about the color, please go back and watch other videos that I have put out. I'm always talking about the color that, it ain't gonna change. I know it's been a hard decision as far as what color that I want to make on my Fiero, but now I've already got it, jotted down, so most definitely, y'all. Well, I want y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about this video. Like I said before, just hit that thumbs up for me, because you already know it's going down. Smash that subscribe button for your boy, because you already know we up in here. You know what I'm saying? Fiero boy is here to stay on YouTube. You already know what it is. Well, it's your boy Fisrt, boy 86. So we have made it out here to the Cars and Coffee, or the Exotics and Coffee, as you can tell. We got a few cars here already. Yeah, man, it's gonna be good today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like this one right here. This one right here is real nice. Look at that. That's wonderful, man. As you can tell, you know what I'm saying? Got some other cars over here. Yeah, man, got like some other cars. Yes, sir. He's really tuned out. Look at this. He is ready, y'all. Yeah, man. Nice. Lamborghini, y'all. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that thing. And right there, I like that color. Yeah. Thing right here, y'all. Very nice. 240. Look at that thing. Looking good. All your exotics right here.
Oh, wait. There's clean vet right here, y'all. This one right here. Look at this vet. Oh, this vet right here is nice. Look at this vet right here. Wow. Look at that vet right there. Vet clean.
2019 Z06.
Yeah.
Got 1,000 horsepower.
Okay.
Got all my work done at Acceleration Racing in McKinney.
Okay.
Got some 21 by 12s in the back, with some 20 by 9s and a half in the front. Custom interior. Just a beast.
Okay. And so, do you have an Instagram or YouTube that they can get that they can reach you at?
No,
Okay.
I'm not even on social media.
Okay. That right there is what's up. Hey, yeah. Y'all, this right here is his car. Man, this thing right here is nice. I like that.
I did. I pulled all the grills out of it and then put it back in the car. And then wrapped it. The problem is, this doesn't come out. It should, but it doesn't.
Yeah. Got some other cars and stuff. Yeah, man. Got some other clean cars. This Lexus right here is nice. Like that right there. Like the color down. Lexus is here. That thing right there. Man, pulling up in here. That thing pulling up. Look at this Viper. Viper right here. Nice. Viper right here is real nice. Sweet. Like that. That right there is really clean, y'all. I like the stripe on there. Yeah. Then we got this other Viper right here, which is real nice. It's clean, as you can tell on the inside. Yeah, man. Ooh, wait, look at this Porsche. This Porsche right here, y'all. It's real nice. And then we also got this clean McLaren right here. Look at this. Look at the color of this McLaren. Look at this McLaren, y'all. Look at that. That is right there.
Where? Oh.
That thing. So unless Sonica is out here, y'all, so most definitely, you know. Got this clean Super right here, which is nice. Hold on. You all good?
I'm trying to get over.
Oh, yeah, you good? So yeah, y'all, that right there was a real cool Fisrt meetup. That right there was real good. You know what I'm saying? Right there, what that right there was, y'all, that right there was exotic and coffee. That right there was out here in Plano, you know what I'm saying? It was wonderful. They had some really clean cars out there, very nice cars. You know, they had a few clean exotics out there, you know what I'm saying? But hey, them boys that rolled in at the end, them boys had some real clean cars coming up in there, you know what I'm saying? And then also that clean GTR that was at the end. That right there was real nice, you know? But like most definitely.